Maravelias MAREPAM. We are here at Wellfleet Station with a very special VIP guest, Tim Kelley, who just happened to meet up here. Wonderful little situation here. I was going to come last night, but Tim, I was able to tell him all about the station here, and Tim is always with me in spirit. Tim is a legendary New England meteorologist who's very, very highly respected, and we're very thankful for Tim's career, and have a lot of compassion for the ways he was unfairly treated, and we all love Tim. So,
well, things happen for a reason, and I'm so grateful to meet you today. And if my career did not change like that, perhaps I wouldn't be here today.
Perhaps.
So it's freed me up to do a lot of the things that I love to do, including pursue you. I've chased weather, I chase clouds, waves, and snow, and I've always wanted to meet the person that put up these anemometers.
Likewise.
Around
We
where
were
I
chatting
grew
on
up.
Twitter once, but we just never connected.
Right.
So let's do a little rundown. I just came here to tighten the guy cables. This is our pre-winter ruggedization and stabilization service visit. We just rebuilt this station in November 2023 last year. This is the Wellfleet Atlantic Bluff Station. This is the first and foremost MAREPAM station. And so we're out here on the outer bluff of Cape Cod, and this is now optimally positioned to intercept the strongest hurricane and nor'easter winds that we get in our coastline. We have an all stainless steel construction. We use two wind sensor P254, two Vector A100 LM Class 1 individually certified anemometers, and in the middle we have an RM Young 05103 propeller anemometer. All data is being continuously uploaded live over LTE. And of course, the unique feature of the MAREPAM stations is we are quality controlling the wind speed data for accurate instantaneous values, and also sampling at different temporal averaging scales, 1 second, 3 second, 5 second, and longer than that, so that we can make apples to apples comparisons to other weather stations that have other non-instantaneous wind speed sampling intervals, such as the airport gusts from the ASOS station, which is 3 second average. Everything is optimized for forensic anemometry in case we have high events that compromise power or network stability. So all data is locally recorded and automatically uploads if the network goes out once the network is restored. So we are ready here. Wellfleet's never been in better shape. And special thanks to the Beachcomber, as always, for hosting the station.